fact, Home Minister Amit Shah is in Bihar today addressing three very important rallies. Voting for the first phase is currently going to take place in Bihar on 6th of November. This election in Bihar is all set to ensure that Jungle Raj does not return here again, is the big statement coming from the Union Home Minister, who's warned against any votes being cast for the Mahagathbandhan. He's also attacked the Tejasvi Yadav RJD by saying that if anybody votes for Mahagathbandhan, will restore Jungle Raj in Bihar. This opposition alliance only has two identities. Amit Shah went on to say that it is corruption and nepotism. Nitish Babu wants to advance Bihar's sons and daughters, while Lalu ji wants to make his son the chief minister, and Sonia ji wants to make her son the prime minister. Can someone who worries only about their own child really care for the youth of Bihar? Only Narendra Modi and Nitish Kumar can care for Bihar's sons and daughters. He also said that while the RJD, including Tejasvi Yadav, have been accused of corruption, there have been no questions against Nitish Kumar that have been raised. He is in fact known as Sushasan Babu. Let's also listen into what Amit Shah had to say.
और मित्रों, ये जो सामने वाला गठबंधन है, इसकी दो पहचान है, भ्रष्टाचार और परिवारवाद। नीतीश बाबू बिहार के बेटे बेटियों को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और लालू जी अपने बेटे को मुख्यमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं। सोनिया जी अपने बेटे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं। बिहार के युवाओं, जो अपने बेटे की चिंता करता है, वो बिहार के युवा की चिंता कर सकता है क्या? जोर से बोलो, कर सकता है क्या? बिहार के बेटा बेटी की चिंता नरेंद्र मोदी और नीतीश कुमार ही कर सकते हैं। नीतीश कुमार लालू जी ने इतने घोटाले किए। कांग्रेस पार्टी की जब सरकार थी केंद्र में 10 साल चली, जिसमें लालू भी मंत्री थे, वो सरकार ने 12 लाख करोड़ का घपला, घोटाला और भ्रष्टाचार किया। भाइयों बहनों, बिहार और केंद्र में जिनका भ्रष्टाचार का रिकॉर्ड हो, वो महागठबंधन, महालठबंधन बिहार का विकास कर सकता है क्या? जरा जोर से बोलिए, कर सकता है क्या? बिहार का विकास नरेंद्र मोदी और नीतीश बाबू, जिन पर 4 आने का भी भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप नहीं है, वो ही कर सकते हैं। बिहार का चुनाव किसी को विधायक बनाने के लिए, मंत्री बनाने के लिए, मुख्यमंत्री बनाने के लिए नहीं है। ये बिहार का चुनाव बिहार में जंगल राज को फिर से न आने देने के लिए है। लालू राबड़ी की सरकार ने अनेक सालों तक बिहार में जंगल राज चलाया।
Pallavi Ghosh is joining me live from Bihar with more details. So Pallavi, we've seen how Amit Shah has attacked the RJD, the Congress, the Mahagathbandhan on two important planks today, namely nepotism and corruption.
Yeah, and two of them are considered to be the soft spots as far as the Mahagathbandhan goes. Look, what has happened is that with Tejasvi Yadav now, Akanksha being made officially the face of the Mahagathbandhan, it's become very easy for the BJP now to revive the memory of what they call the dark, regressive days of Bihar, of Lalu Prasad Yadav's Jungle Raj. While Lalu himself may not be front stage in terms of campaigning, being seen much in publicly, but every time his son is going to stand there as the CM face being projected, that memories of Lalu Prasad Yadav's tenure are going to be revived. You know, where am standing at this point of time, Danapur, it was also known a few years back as an area where there were barely any roads and there were lots of potholes. So roads and power supply has been considered to be the USP and the biggest development point as far as the NDA government goes. And infrastructure like swanky airports, better air connectivity, then of course the metro which has been brought into Patna, all of that is being projected by the Prime Minister as the benefits of voting for the NDA. So the choice which has been placed before an aspirational Bihari is you choose which Bihar you want. One which is regressive, soaked in nepotism and corruption, and the other one, of course, which is not going to have a sense of entitlement, but one which is going to ensure development and possibly a return of the migrant Biharis back into their home state.
The other point of attack that has been brought in by the Union Home Minister is that of the SIR issue. Not only has he attacked Rahul Gandhi or the Congress party for opposing the SIR, but he's also attacked him for his yatra, calling it a Guspetya Bachao Yatra.
Yeah, but 1600 kilometers which was tracked by Rahul Gandhi from Sasaram, which ended in Patna. But is it really a poll issue? I mean, I've been getting ground reports, speaking to people. They say that we only want better facilities. We want jobs, healthcare. But we also think, and many voices I got, Akanksha, who told me that, it used to happen in our families where either our names were missing or, like someone from our family was registered in 2 addresses. But thanks to SIR, all of that has been streamlined. It has also ensured that we go out and cast our vote. Our names are there on the voter list. The entire idea was SIR was essentially to correct the voter list, which according to a BJP election commission was a wrong assessment being made by Rahul Gandhi of vote chori. On the ground, if you ask me this question, that is it a talking point? Well, somewhat is a talking point. Okay. Biharis love to chat. They will be talking about it, but they're certainly not going to be voting only on this issue.
Many thanks to you, Pallavi, for sharing those extensive insights with us. All right, we will in fact continue to focus on that news story. But remember, 3 very important rallies being addressed by the Union Home Minister today, one of them being Munger, the other Khagadia, and the third being Bihar Sharif. And some very critical issues have been raked up by the Union Home Minister. He's not just... Right. So we in fact also observed that he's attacked the Mahagathbandhan when it comes to corruption, even nepotism. He's gone on to attack Sonia Gandhi and Lalu Prasad Yadav both by in fact stating that if Lalu Prasad Yadav wants his son to become the Chief Minister of Bihar, it is Sonia Gandhi who wants her son Rahul Gandhi to become the Prime Minister. But it is only 2 people who can bring justice to Bihar, which are namely Narendra Modi and Nitish. So he's also equated how Nitish Kumar's had a clean record, is what he's claiming, in terms of no corruption, drawing that sharp contrast with the Mahagathbandhan's Chief Minister face, that being of Tejashwi Yadav, saying that Tejashwi Yadav and his entire party, his entire family is mired in corruption, and that if Bihar were to vote for Mahagathbandhan, they will be restoring Jungle Raj in Bihar. Let's also listen in to what the Union Home Minister has had to say.
लालू जी ने इतने घोटाले किए, कांग्रेस पार्टी की जब सरकार थी केंद्र में 10 साल चली, जिसमें लालू भी मंत्री थे, वो सरकार ने 12 लाख करोड़ का घपला, घोटाला और भ्रष्टाचार किया। भाइयों बहनों, बिहार और केंद्र में जिनका भ्रष्टाचार का रिकॉर्ड हो, वो महागठबंधन, महागठबंधन बिहार का विकास कर सकता है क्या? जरा जोर से बोलिए, कर सकता है क्या? बिहार का विकास नरेंद्र मोदी और नीतीश बाबू, जिन पर 4 आने का भी भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप नहीं है, वो ही कर सकते हैं। और मित्रों, ये जो सामने वाला गठबंधन है, इसकी 2 पहचान है, भ्रष्टाचार और परिवारवाद। नीतीश बाबू बिहार के बेटे बेटियों को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और लालू जी अपने बेटे को मुख्यमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं। सोनिया जी अपने बेटे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाना चाहते हैं। बिहार के युवाओं, जो अपने बेटे की चिंता करता है, वो बिहार के युवा की चिंता कर सकता है क्या?